What's going on YouTube, and welcome to Digital Perspective. I'm Khalid, and in today's video we're going to be going through Instagram's UX and UI, whether it's their phone interface or their website interface, and fix one problem that's really bugging me. Now without further ado, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn the notification bell on if you haven't, and let's roll the intro. So what's going on, guys? Listen, Instagram is a fantastic platform. I use it practically every day religiously. However, there is one thing that really bugs me that I'm going to try to solve here as a part of a UX problem that I find. It's annoying. Don't know if anyone else feels annoyed by it, but I feel annoyed by it. So let's go into the PC and let's try and fix this. So you can see here on Instagram's website version that if I was to go into the comments section, you can see that if I look at someone else's comment, you can see how this person has got two comments. Let's find someone that has quite a few comments. I think that would be the best thing. And it's really relating to how the comment section doesn't actually work the way that I think it should work. So you can see here, this has got 4 comments, and on these 4 comments, if I click on view replies, it shows me the latest ones first. And then if I click on view replies, it shows me the first one then, right? Now with me, when I look at a comment, I like to see things periodically. So if I clicked on view more, I would like to see the first reply to that statement or to that comment that the original author or user had left. If I can't, then I have to click next, or view, especially if it's comments which have hundreds and hundreds of comments, replies to the original comment. It's just annoying. So I'm going to go into XD and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to make this big. So you can see here, I've mocked up Instagram's app version very quickly. And you can see here, if I just scroll down, usually what happens, let's say for example here, you can see there's 57 comments. If I click on the 57 comments, again, this is all just templated. The way that it currently works is that if I click on view replies, I see like I said, I see the last 3 comments. I then have to click on view replies again to see the previous comments. I don't like that. So we're going to solve that problem right now, really quickly. And this is how I personally think, as a UX designer, how I think it should work, really. Right? So everything's fine here. So once we get to this comments on this section, someone actually clicks on view comments, what I think should happen is the following. I think Instagram should take this, push it down to about there, and then push this up, and then push the comment section up. Obviously this is a repeated grid, so I'm just going to hide that little bit there. And instead of saying previous comments, I would rather it does that. So then what will happen is I'm going to push the next. So these were the original comments, put them back at the top. Move that. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm telling Instagram that they should put their button to view the next set of comments at the bottom here. Push that out. So then when we see that, it's the next 4 comments. So ideally now, if I click on play, make it big, you can see now if we do it again, I want to see the comments for this post. Great, I see that this user has left a comment. Click on view replies, and then you see the first 3 comments. I want to see the next set of comments. I just click on view replies, and then it pushes it down, and then I can see the next one. And if I wanted to, I can click on the next one, so forth and so forth and so forth. Now, personally, I think this way is a much better experience for me in terms of as a user. When I'm clicking through and I want to see the comments in terms of how often or when the comments was updated. Because most comments, let's face it, most comments have some sort of a chronological order. So let's say user A types in a main comment, user B replies to that comment, user C tends to reply to user B's comment or user A's comment. But if I read user C's first comment, there's no context. It's annoying. Anyway, it's a very quick one for today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have in the end cards. And if you like this video, like it and smash that subscribe button if you can. And until the next video, I'm Khalid. I'll see you then. Peace.